The number of coronavirus cases has now rapidly begun to rise. It's more than doubled since we were on the air on Friday, and nearly every official believes the actual number of cases is far higher due to testing shortages.
Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to make a quick video concerning the coronavirus, COVID-19, because shit's getting real out here. I've been in my house for weeks already. I already knew this was going to get really bad, but we're going to get way worse than it is now. So I hope you guys are all preparing yourselves, and I've already been trying to prepare myself because I heard that the stores are all empty. People are trying to go get toilet paper and food, and the shelves are all empty, and it's crazy. But if you haven't got the items you needed, I suggest you do so as soon as you can. But if you do have the option of ordering online, I suggest you do that so you don't have to risk going to the store. You can download apps like Instacart and they'll deliver food and groceries right to your house so you don't have to leave. And you can also order from Amazon and they'll also deliver it to your house. So message me if you do download Instacart and you do want the code because you will get a discount off your first delivery. If you don't have the option of ordering online and do have to go to the store, I suggest you go at a time where nobody will be there, where the least people will be, so you don't have to be exposed to a lot of people. Try to stay 6 feet away from anybody and try to go when there's nobody there. Just make sure you bring some hand sanitizer, use it, and make sure you just try to stay away from as many people as possible. I feel like we're going to be getting quarantined at some point, and they've already canceled events around the world. Sports, Coachella. I was supposed to go to DragCon in May. That's being canceled. If you are in the Rhode Island area, today's the day they just stopped kids going to school. They're going to stop that for 2 weeks. I know it's going to be longer than that because I know it's going to get worse, but today's the first day they stopped school, finally. I've been saying this for weeks now. They should have done this weeks ago, but it's done. They finally did it, and hopefully the kids are safe. The kids can stay home now and be protected, and I hope all your children are all well. Keep them home, keep them safe, stock up on everything, make sure they wash their hands, make sure you sanitize everything after use, and do not bring your kids out unless you have to. Don't bring yourself out unless you have to, because you can bring that home. Just make sure you bunker down as much as you can. And for those of you who have to work, I hope you guys be safe at work. Just make sure you wash your hands. Try to stay more than 6 feet away from people. I was gonna go out and get my eyebrows done the other day, and I was like, no, honey. I was not having that girl with the string in her mouth all up on my eyebrows. So I tweezed them shits myself. I did a decent job, but I'm just gonna be home anyways. It screwed up a lot of ideas I had and a lot of videos I had coming up. But I think I'm just gonna do some reaction videos for now in the meantime and just stay in the house for a couple weeks because I know it's gonna get really bad, and I hope that everyone's doing their part in the community to make sure that we're all safe, because at this point we all need to work together because some people out there aren't taking it that serious. They wanted to go to the fucking bar, they wanted to get a corona, and they came home with some different kind of corona. And other people wanted to go on vacation, and now their vacations are all getting canceled because there's nothing to fucking do because they're shutting shit down. So now they're sitting in airports in a crowded ass room, and they're going to be bringing that shit home. Some people are taking it serious, and thank you if you are. I am, and I hope everybody else is, because I just want everybody to be safe at the end of the day, and I hope everybody is healthy, and I hope we all get through this. We just need to slow down this because it's going to be a long time. This is going to go on for a while. It could be up to years, guys, when this can stop. So I hope everybody's safe in the meantime. In the next couple weeks, it's going to be really serious. So I hope that everyone stays home as much as they can and does their part as a community. And as long as we all stick together, I think we can get through this. They are in early test stages of this, so they don't know exactly how long it lasts on surfaces for. They just did like a pre-test the other day, supposedly saying that it can last up to 2 to 3 days on like subways and stuff like that. But you get it by breathing it in and touching surfaces and touching your face. So make sure you don't touch any surfaces and then touch your face. Make sure you wash your hands after you touch things. If you're above 60 or if you have a weakened immune system, you're at a higher risk. So make sure you go further to protect yourself even more, because you could be at a higher risk for death. But everyone in general is at a high risk, so make sure you take all the precautions needed, please. If you have a runny nose, a sore throat, a cough, a fever, or trouble breathing, those are the signs that you could have coronavirus, because those are the symptoms. So I would suggest you call a hospital or a doctor near you to see what your options could be and what you should do next. You can also go on CDC, the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, and they post updates on there, and you can get all the information you need on the coronavirus. But I just wanted to give you guys as many tips as I could, but you can visit that website for more information. Us as a community doing our part to slow the virus down would be the best thing. Just stay in, protect the older people, protect our families, protect ourselves, because if it gets out of control and it gets into the hospitals, they do not have enough treatment to help us all at once. It's going to overwhelm them, and if it gets to that point, that's going to be scary, because there's going to be nothing they can do, and it's going to be a pick and choose situation, and it's kind of scary. It got me feeling like we're in like a zombie apocalypse right now. It's kind of out of control, and like I'm thinking 12 steps ahead. I've already been thinking this for weeks, and I just want everybody else to do the same thing, and that's the only reason I'm making this video, because we need to be thinking now, not what's gonna happen next. I don't want to wait. So I hope that everybody's safe out there. I hope all my tea sippers are sipping their tea at home. I hope you stocked up on some tea. If not, I'm gonna spill some for you over the next couple weeks. So make sure you stay updated on things that are happening in your area, because they are changing by the minute and by the hour. And in the next 2 weeks, they're going to change a lot. Things are going to get crazy. But I hope you guys are as prepared as possible. I hope you guys are being safe. I wish safety and good health on all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you liked it. And hit that bell icon if you want to be updated on videos that are coming in the next couple weeks. And until next time, where you can sip the tea with your girl Nikki Lee, I'll be here in my house as much as I can, trying to stay safe. And I hope you guys stay safe too. I wish nothing but the best for all of you. And I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys.